What's up, guys? Welcome back to SFN, where we get them in pieces and we put them bitches together. Today, man, we at the car wash. We just picked up the Max, and we finna rebuild it. But we finna wash it off, make sure it's straight, throw some of this garbage up out this bitch so it look presentable when I get it to where I gotta go. Maybe spray under the hood a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get this shit cracking, man. I need to put some air in the tires if they got somewhere I can put some air in the tires. Oh. I'm finna come with me, man. I'm finna throw some of this shit away, bro. All this bullshit up there. I don't know what the fuck this shit is, man. This shit gotta go today, man. You know what I'm saying? I got booty guys. I don't know what's going on. This shit gotta go today, man. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty clean. You know what I'm saying? This is the little shit you lay on right here, baby. We gonna save on them hoes. It's that dust on the seat doing it. We gonna save them. This shit gotta go, man. I don't know what that was making.
All that shit gotta go.
Oh, this shit hot, boy. Shit gotta go, baby.
Shoo.
The trunk?
They got in the trunk, man.
Trunk real clean, though. I ain't really nothing in the trunk. I'm gonna put this other shit in the trunk, then lay on when it's time to fix on it. That's for to hold the hood up. Alright, let's get this wire on this bitch. We rolling that, man. We at the car wash. We had to get $20 worth of quarters just to spray this.
The car don't work, gang.
Right, the car, I think they stole about $500 off them hoes real quick.
There you go, back in business.
We need a good 5 minutes. Good 5 minutes, man. We ready to go now. Shit. Keep this shit off this next, man. They don't call the video no back. Think she gonna come clean now, boy? Y'all think she gonna come clean now, boy? Hell, we was in here running the stop sign off.
So what is the strap?
Strap on this side. Right, put it back on. That was so we were dragging them. We was dragging them, boys. Y'all see the potential yet?
from the bottom. Started in the jungle. Made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100.